If your PC gets slow or lags while editing 4K videos, so you are not alone. It happens to all of us. The rendering takes a lot of time and kills the vibe, right? But don't worry. I have found a super easy fix that speeds everything up and save a lot of time. Let me show you how I solved it using Wondershare UniConverter. At first, open Wondershare UniConverter. You will see a variety of powerful tools. Let me show you one of the best video converter with NVIDIA GPU Acceleration and Dolby Vision conversion. Open it and import your video file here. After importing your video, you will get all details like file size and formats. So here's the icon. So you can do basic editing like trimming, changing the resolution, customizing the layout, or even adjusting the aspect ratio. So as you can see, this file for example is in MOV format and it's 160 MB in size. Let's convert it to a better version. So I'm selecting HEVC MP4. It's also known as H265 format, which offers smoother playback and easier editing. So I'm selecting the resolution as same as source. So okay, original resolution. As you can see, the estimated file size drops to just 69 MB. So it's also compressed the file without losing quality. Before hitting convert, make sure to enable high speed performance and GPU acceleration for a much faster export. You can even import multiple videos in batch by click on this add file folder button. All files will automatically adopt the same conversion settings. As you can see, it's all in HEVC format. In the settings tab, you will find more advanced options. So I'm keeping HEVC H265 format. You can also choose the resolution from Smart Fit. So okay, now the frame rate to 60 FPS. I'm choosing 60 FPS and enabling Dolby Vision HDR. I'm selecting HDR REC to 100 HLG for accurate color space like this one. Okay, now hit the export button, and with NVIDIA GPU Acceleration, all your files will be ready in just minutes. Here's a comparison before and after converting. The quality remains the same, but the file is lighter and smoother to work with. If you are struggling with bulky video files or choppy editing, definitely check out Wondershare UniConverter, link in the description.